What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get to a bot lobby every time in Fortnite. If you're new or intermediate, playing in modes with fewer high-level players can feel easier. Try creative mode or limited time events for less competitive play. Fortnite uses skill-based matchmaking to pair players or similar skill. Practicing in solo matches or custom matchmaking can help you gradually get matched with players closer to your level. Lobbies tend to be less competitive during off-peak times, like in early mornings or weekdays. Fewer high-tier players only can make matches feel easier. So at the end, there is no legal way to force both lobbies, but using these strategies can help you get easier matches naturally. Improving skill, playing in optimal times, and practicing with friends is the safest and most effective approach. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.